Alright, I'm going to show you how to use your resin level. When you get it, it's going to have paper on it. You're going to remove the paper, and then you're going to take the knobs and screw them into the corners like this. And what you want to do is screw them in so that they're about 3/4 of the way down, like that. Then you're going to take the little, they're called acorn nuts, and put that on there and just screw it down until it's finger tight. That's it. Okay, now it's ready to use. I'll show you how to use it. What you want to do is take the level that's included, place it in the center, and then to do the actual leveling, let me zoom the camera in here a little bit. To do the actual leveling, what you want to do is only concern yourself with any 3 corners and ignore one. So in this case, what I'll do is I'll loosen this one so that the bed tilts, as you can see. Now I will put my finger on this one, and then I can adjust these like this until the bubble is really close to the center. Now that you've got that, what you do is you turn this one down until it just touches. And as soon as it touches, you're done. You can remove the level. Now you're ready to put your molds on here and use it. As a tip, when using the resin level, it's a good idea to protect the surface before you put your molds on here, because if you spill, it can be hard to clean up. Don't use alcohol, because alcohol cracks acrylic. So there's a few things you can do. You can put wax paper over the surface. You can put foil over the surface. Or if you have a small silicone pad, you can put that over the surface. Anything so that in case you spill, it doesn't get on here. Now, if you do get it on here, please use only warm water and dish soap, like Dawn is a good product, and use that to clean up the surface. And then just dry it off. And that will be the end of that. Thank you for watching.